Welcome to my channel. How to set up Netgear Router routerlogin.net. Netgear Genie allows you to change Wi-Fi password, SSID, create guest network and other router settings at http://192.168.1.1 or http://routerlogin.net. How to log in Netgear Router. To access routerlogin.net or routerlogin.com, your device must be connected to your Netgear router's Wi-Fi network. The default Wi-Fi settings are located at the back of your Netgear router. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net. Enter username, admin and password and click OK. You will be logged in to your Netgear router. How to change network name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password. In the Wireless tab, enter wireless network name, SSID, in the field. Enter password, network key, in Security Options, WPA2PSK. Thanks for watching.